Hi children, how are you? I hope you all are good and safe. What is the pandemic situation outside? Do you know children? Why our schools are closed? Yes, due to COVID-19. Due to COVID-19, our schools are closed. Our books are also closed. You missed your friends. You missed the schools. You missed the games. You missed the teachers too. Isn't it, children? Yes, you missed all this. Yes, we teachers too missed you. Then children, are you staying at home or playing outside? I hope you are staying at home itself. Then, are you following the COVID instructions, children? What are the COVID instructions? Do you know? You know the COVID instructions. I think you know that. Even though once we revise the COVID instructions, what we have to do daily: wash your hands with soap regularly. If soap is not available, use sanitizer. Wear mask when we go out. Wear mask before going outside. Maintain social distance wherever you go out. Keep your surroundings clean. Take bath twice a day. And take healthy food like eggs, milk, take the food which gives us vitamin C and E. Stay home, stay healthy and stay fit. We need to be careful in these days. We need to follow the COVID instructions to be safe from COVID. Yes, children, I hope you are doing well. Do you know who am I? Yes, few of the children know that. My name is Jyotsna. I will be teaching you math subject. Let us go to our books. Do you have books? I know you don't have the books. You need to purchase the textbooks within a short period. Then that will be easy to you understand. What about notebooks? At present you need one book enough. One notebook enough. That is Chakrul enough. That is Chakrul notebook. Whatever I say in the classroom, whatever I say in this session, you write in that Chakrul. And homework also you need to write in that Chakrul only. For both classwork and homework, you need one Chakrul enough. Once, let us start the math subject now. We start the subject with numbers. First I show you fingers. count and read the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here is the number chart, children. Here some numbers, few numbers come list. You are familiar with numbers counting forward. Once we read numbers, by reading we write here, I write here. You also read along with me, children. I write on the board. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 is here. Next, 11, 12, 13, 13 is here. 14, 15, 16 is here. Next, 17, 18, 19 is here. Next, what comes next? 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 is here. Next, 25, 26, 27 is here. 28, 29, 30, 31, 32 is here. 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40 is here. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53 is here. 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65 is here. 66, 67, 68, 69, 70 is already there. Next, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78 is there. 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. 91 is there, 92 is there. Next, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Once I repeat, you also read along with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Yes, children? Counting by forward. You are familiar with that? Once we read backward, 100 to 1, from 100 to 1. Once we read, try to read backward now. Yes, 100, 99, 98, 97, 96, 95, 94, 93, 92, 91, 90, 89, 88, 87, 86, 85, 84, 83, 82, 81, 80, 79, 78, 77, 76, 75, 74, 73, 72, 71, 70, 69, 68, 67, 66, 65, 64, 63, 62, 61, 60, 59, 58, 57, 56, 55, 54, 53, 52, 51, 50, 49, 48, 47, 46, 45, 44, 43, 42, 41, 40, 39, 38, 37, 36, 35, 34, 33, 32, 31, 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes, do practicing children backward direction. Here are few number names and numbers children. Once they read them. Yeah, you learned already. You might have forgotten. Once we revise them. ONE 1, TWO 2, THREE 3, FOUR 4, FIVE 5, SIX 6, SEVEN 7, EIGHT 8, NINE 9, TEN 10, ELEBEN 11, TWELVE 12, THIRTEEN 13, FOURTEEN 14, FIFTEEN 15, SIXTEEN 16, SEVEN 17, EIGHT EEN 18, NINE TEEN 19, TWEN TY 20. Once I repeat, you also read children along with me. ONE 1, 2. THREE 3. FOUR 4. FIVE 5. SIX 6. SCVEM 7. EIGHT 8. NINE 9. TEN 10. ELEVEN 11. TWELVE 12. PHIRTEEN 13. FOURTEEN 14. FIFTEEN 15. SIXTEEN 16. SCVEN TEEN 17. EIGHTEEN 18. NINETEEN 19. TWENTY 20. Do practicing at home, children. 1 to 20 number names. From 1 to 20 number names. Do practicing. Continue from 20 number names from 21 to 50. TWENTY 20. ONE 1. 21. TWENTY 20. TWO 2. 22. TWENTY 20. THREE 3. 23. TWENTY 20. FOUR 4. 24. TWENTY 20. FIVE 5. 25. TWENTY 20. SIX 6. 26. TWENTY 20. SCVEN 7. 27. TWENTY 20. EIGHT 8. 28. Next, TWENTY 20. NINE 9. 29. THIRTY 30. THIRTY 30. ONE 1. 31. THIRTY 30. TWO 2. 32. THIRTY 30. THREE 3. 33. THIRTY 30. FOUR 4. 34. THIRTY 30. FIVE 5. 35. THIRTY 30. SIX 6. 36. THIRTY 30. SCVEN 7. 37. THIRTY 30. EIGHT 8. 38. THIRTY 30. NINE 9. 39. FORTY 40. FORTY 40. ONE 1. 41. FORTY 40. TWO 2. 42. FORTY 40. THREE 3. 43. FORTY 40. FOUR 4. 44. FORTY 40. FIVE 5. 45. FORTY 40. SIX 6. 46. FORTY 40. SCVEN 7. 47. FORTY 40. EIGHT 8. 48. FORTY 40. NINE 9. 49. FIFTY 50. Yes, do practicing, children. Number names. Now here are few number names. Can you say the numbers? Can you write the numbers? Yes, once read it, then I write the numbers. Once we read first. F-O-R-T-Y 40, F-I-V-E 5. What is the number? 45. T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N 13. What is the number here? 13. T-W-E-N-T-Y 20, S-E-V-E-N 7 27. E-L-E-V-E-N E-L-E-V-E-N 11. What is the number here? 11. S-I-X-T-E-E-N 16. What is the number here? 16. Yes. Now I write here 45. 4, 5, 45. 13. 1, 3. 13. 27. 2, 7. 27. 11. 1, 1. 16. 1, 6. 16. Here are few numbers, children. Can you write the number names? Yes. First we read out the numbers. 24, 12, 37, 41, 50. You need to write number names. 24. What is the spelling, children? 20. 20 spelling. T-W-E-N-T-Y. 24. F-O-U-R. 4. Next. 1 to 12. What is the spelling, children? T-W-E-L-V-E. 12. What is the number? Next number? 37. 37. 37. Don't write 37. Write 37. 37. What is the spelling? T-H-I-R-T-Y 30. S-E-V-E-N 7. 37. 41. F-O-R-T-Y 40. O-N-E-1 41. Next 50. What is the spelling, children? F-I-F-T-Y 50. Once I repeat again. 45, 13, 27, 11, 16. Next 24, 12, 37, 41, 50. Here are few blanks, children. Fill in the blanks by counting forward. Forward means generally how we read them? How we count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the forward counting. Here 24, 25. Next 25 after. 25 after. What comes next? 26. Yes, 26. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Next, what is the next set? 32, 33. Next number, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. That's enough. Next, what is the next set? This is the first set, second, third. Your first set, second set. What is the next set, children? Here numbers started from 19. 19, 20, next 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Next, see here, we have filled in blanks by counting forward. 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Now you read from 32, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. From 19, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Next, here few blanks are there. Two sets are here. Fill in the blanks by counting backward. Backward means previous number. For example, here 10 is there. What is the back number? How we count from 10 to 1? Once you count 10 backward, count by counting. Right? I write here numbers by counting backward. Once you observe 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here I write the numbers, I wrote the numbers, I have written there by counting backward. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is the backward counting. See here also few sets are there, two sets are here. Write the blanks, fill in the blanks by counting backward. 47, 46, 45, 44, 43, 42, 41. Here other set is there. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Shall we count numbers from 50 to 1? Backward counting, shall we count again? Shall we do backward counting? Yes. And count here. You also read along with me. You also count along with me. Backward counting. 50, 49, 48, 47, 46, 45, 44, 43, 42, 41, 40, 39, 38, 37, 36, 35, 34, 33, 32, 31, 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes. Do practicing children. Backward counting is needed here. To write the before numbers, we need backward counting. We need to count back side also. Here is two table children. I read. Once I read, you also read along with me. Try to read at home. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 2 10s are 20. Again I repeat. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 2 10s are 20. Do practicing table, two table children. You are familiar with one table. That's what I have started with two tables. Your homework. Write 1 to 10 number names. Second grade 1 to 20 number names. Write 1 to 20 number names and learn two tables. This is your homework, children. You write in your check roll notebook. Write, once I repeat, write 1 to 20 number names and learn two tables. Children, see you tomorrow. Bye.